Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Idina Sofia binti Hafizah. In Unit 7, which is Chemical Analysis Quality Control, the topic that I am going to present is 7.1, which is Chemical Analysis Method. So, firstly, what is chemical analysis? Chemical analysis is the study of the chemical composition and the structure of substance, and all technology that is to obtain any exact chemical information. The example of the process that known as chemical analysis is what are they made of, how they behave in certain circumstances, as well on their own, and how to identify certain chemical. Okay, firstly, we need to know what is chemistry. Chemistry is a scientific study of matter in all of its form. Matter is anything that has mass or weight-bearing properties and occupies space. So, chemistry is a determination of physical properties or chemical properties of sample of matter. Next, there is two types of chemical analysis, which is classical analysis and instrumental analysis. The classical analysis process are mostly done in the liquid phase. Since there are many tests are performed at lab bench, it is also known as bench chemistry. The classical analysis consists of analytical technique, but not using mechanical or any electronic instrument other than a balance. It relies on chemical reaction between the analyte and the reagent that is added to the analyte. For example, the product could be colored or solid that precipitate from a solution. For instrumental analysis, it involves the use of an instrument other than a balance to perform analysis. The instrument is used to characterize a chemical reaction between the analyte and the reagent. It is used to measure a property of the analyte. In classical analysis, there is two types of method, which is qualitative and quantitative. For qualitative method, it uses changes in information that can't be quantified to detect a change. For example, color, texture, or smell. There is two types, is chemical test and flame test. Chemical tests use reagent to indicate the presence of specific chemical in unknown solution. The reagent causes a unique reaction to occur based on the chemical it reacts with, allowing to know what are the chemical in the unknown solution. For example, a small pieces of sodium metal are thrown into a test tube containing solution. Second is flame test. Flame test is well-known version of chemical test. It only uses metallic ions. Metal powder is burned, causing an emulsion of color to occur based on what metal is burned. Different from qualitative method, quantitative method use information that can quantify to detect a change. For example, the changes in volume, concentration, or weight. In quantitative method, there is gravimetric analysis, volumetric analysis, and colorimetry. Gravimetric analysis measures the weight or the concentration of a solid that forms from a precipitate or dissolved in a liquid. In volumetric analysis, there is titration because it relies on volume measurement to determine the quantity of chemical. Colorimetry is a technique that is used to determine the concentration of colored compound in solution. There is four types of method in instrumental analysis, which is spectroscopy, microscopy, mass spectrometry, and chromatography. Spectroscopy is a measurement of spectra produced when matter interact with light or emits electromagnetic radiation. Microscopy is a technical field of using microscope to view objects that cannot be seen by naked eye. Mass spectrometry is a technique that can identify amount and type of chemical that present in sample by measuring the mass to charge ratio and abundance of gas phase ion. Lastly, chromatography is a method to produce two or more single products mixture of a substance. Separation are carried out based on difference in chemical or physical properties, which is size, shape, mass, and density. So that's all from me, Noridina Sofia. Thank you.